to our esteemed research teacher, Sir Mark Nioda, and our dedicated research advisor, Ms. Liv Bitagan Tablon, we extend our warmest greetings.
Today, we present our research entitled, The Impact of Job Burnout on the Job Satisfaction Among Senior High School Teachers. This quantitative study was conducted by Bril Angeles, Vince Babano, Mary Joy Bariliano, Ken Kaintoy, Nika Kutamura,
Jake Cadapiton, Keith Lato, Ashley Lumapas, Rhea Pardillo, and Karil Valles
at Holy Child College of Davao Green Meadows Campus in April 2025.
The educational landscape hinges on the dedication and well-being of its teachers. However, the teaching profession presents inherent challenges that often contribute to job burnout, a phenomenon with detrimental effects on teacher satisfaction and performance. Our study delves into this complex relationship, specifically investigating the impact of job burnout on the job satisfaction among senior high school teachers.
To guide our inquiry, we formulated 3 research questions. First, what are the levels of job burnout experienced by senior high school teachers, specifically in terms of emotional exhaustion, depersonalization, and personal accomplishment? Second, to what extent do these teachers express satisfaction with their jobs, considering factors such as supervision, relationship with colleagues, working conditions, job security, and their sense of responsibility? And third, is there a significant relationship between job burnout and job satisfaction? And if so, what insight can be gleaned from this relationship?
To address this question, we employed a descriptive correlational research design. This design allowed us to examine the relationship between variables without directly manipulating them.
Our study was conducted at Davao City Regional Center of Davao Region, Southeast Mindanao, Davao Go, Sama Island, specifically at the Holy Child College of Davao, Green Meadows Campus, Barangay Santo Niño, Green Meadows Subdivision, known for its supportive environment and dedicated teaching staff.
We selected our respondents through purposive sampling, specifically selecting the 27 senior high school teachers who are full-time employees of Holy Child College of Davao with a minimum of 1 year of teaching experience.
Our findings revealed several significant results. First, teachers reported experiencing high levels of job burnout, particularly regarding emotional exhaustion and depersonalization. Second, while the overall job satisfaction was high, teachers expressed moderate concern about job security. And last, we discovered a positive relationship between job burnout and job satisfaction, an unexpected finding warranting further investigation.
Our research underscored the substantial prevalence of job burnout among senior high school teachers, highlighting the urgent need for intervention to support their well-being and enhance the professional experience. While job satisfaction is generally high, addressing concern about job security could further enhance the work environment and potentially improve retention rates.
The positive correlation between burnout and job satisfaction. An unexpected findings necessitates further more exploration. This complex relationship suggests that even teachers experiencing burnout may find fulfillment in their roles, potentially leading to higher job satisfaction despite the challenges they face.
For teachers, we recommend prioritizing self-care, seeking professional development opportunities, focus on stress management, and advocating for manageable workloads.
School administrator can play a crucial role by creating supportive environment, providing mental resources, promoting work-life balance, and implementing flexible scheduling.
The Department of Education has vital responsibility to implement policies that ensure reasonable workloads, provide mental health support, offer incentive for exceptional performance, enhance job security, and provide competitive compensation.
For students, demonstrating respect and appreciation for their teachers can significantly enhance job satisfaction and reduce burnout. Simple gestures like expressing gratitude, offering help, and being responsive to feedback foster a positive learning environment. By adhering to classroom rules, encouraging peers, and showing empathy, students contribute to a supportive school culture that benefits both teachers and themselves. This collaborative approach promotes academic success and personal growth.
For future researchers, conducting comprehensive studies on the impact of job burnout on job satisfaction among senior high school teachers is essential for gaining valuable insight. Utilizing qualitative or quantitative approaches can help identify factors influencing both job burnout and satisfaction. Such research will illuminate the unique challenges and opportunities faced by teachers, ultimately informing targeted intervention and support system to enhance their well-being. This understanding is crucial for fostering a healthier work environment in education.
On behalf of the entire research team, we express our gratitude for your thoughtful consideration and guidance. We hope our research contributes to a better understanding of the challenges faced by senior high school teachers and inspires effort to create a more supportive and rewarding educational environment for all.
Thank you for your time and attention.